So this is a crown gear. A crown gear is a girth gear, and then mainly is as a part of the transmission system of the ball mills or rotary kilns. Okay, so you can see. Check, this is the surface finishing and hardness test of our the crown gear. You can see this part. We grind it and then we do the hardability test to make sure that the hardness meets up with the requirements. This gear, because it's too big, therefore it is made in two parts, and also for the ease of installation on site. So, yeah, see, here we have a drilling machine, so you can see half of it is it's drilling holes, and half of it is waiting for the drilling. But what I want to show you is to show you that the qualities of our metal casting. And you can see all the edges. We do magnetic testings on the edges to make sure there are no defects, no nothing. So in this video, just want to give you a close look of our metal casting parts. So this is like the whole thing of the crown gear, or we call the girth gear.